Welcome to our last tutorial on Excel 2016. This specific tutorial talks about some of the common errors or mistakes that you can perform in Excel and what is the meaning of that particular error. So first, starting with the div error, that is division error. This error usually happens when you divide a number by 0. Okay, so I'll just show you this error. I'm inputting equal to sign. Let's take 50 and divide it by 0. Can you see division error is now present? So specifically when you divide something by 0, you are going to get the division error. Next is ref error or reference error. So it generally happens when the reference to a particular cell which was present earlier is not present now. So there is no reference. So the reference is invalid. So in that case, you can get the reference error. What is the meaning of this? Let's say I have the number 50 over here. I want to link the same number. So I'll put equal to sign and I'll select this and I'll press on enter. But you realize that by mistake, this row is deleted. So I'm making use of control minus and this row is now deleted. So whatever reference was there is now not present. So can you understand? Reference to invalid cell. Cell only is not present. So in that case, you can get a ref error. Value error. Now it is used when you have wrong argument in the formula. What do I mean by this? Wrong argument in the formula. Let's say I have the number 20, I have the number 60 and I want to add this two number. So let's add this number 20 plus 60 and I add a text. Let's say I add this text B3 reference to invalid cell. So can you see the value error is there because you are adding something which is text. So adding text is not possible. So there is a wrong argument in the formula used. Okay. So you need to remove this. You can go over here. You can just remove this and now you will get the correct answer. So value error is when you add something which is not there or you are using a wrong argument in the formula. Finally, we come to the name error. Now it is used or it is rather possible to get this type of error when you are using advanced Excel functions. So it happens when you are looking for the range which is not present. So can you remember when you have something, you have some data, you select that data and that is your range. But if the range is only not present, you will get the name error. So let's make use of COUNTIF function to understand this. I'll use COUNTIF. You have to give the range. So if I select this range, that is okay. But if I randomly type down something, ABC, and then I randomly type down something, so ABC is random and I click on enter. So the name error will come up because the range only was not given. Proper numbers were not given. So looking for the range which is not present. So the formula was not properly used. So that is why this particular error popped up. So I hope that you have understood this 4 types of common errors: division error, reference error, value error and name error.